Hey, you, come here. Are you tired of talking to sales guys all day long? Well, just sit back, watch the video, and enjoy. Hi guys, Mitch here from Rangeland RV. Welcome to the all-new Rockwood Minilite 2509S. This floor plan features a Murphy bed up front with a king U-shaped dinette in the slide and double over double bunks, as well as an outside kitchen. So let's go over some construction and features on this coach. So you're going to have an overall length of 25 feet 11 inches from hitch to bumper. You're just over 5,000 pounds dry, so it's a nice size with a nice weight. It's a 6-sided aluminum framed, vacuum bonded block foam insulated trailer with a 5/8 tongue and groove plywood that's glued down and screwed down, and that sits over a torsion axle system. Now the perk of that torsion axle system, it's going to give you a nice tow, and it's going to ride nice and easy because you have independent suspension on each wheel. There are a ton of amazing features equipped on the Rockwood Minilite. Right here in your outside kitchen, you have your spray port, your 2-burner stove cooktop, your mini fridge, and your outside griddle, as well as your prep table. And then over here, you have your more ride steps. These are the safest, sturdiest steps in the industry. Let's go take a look on the inside. So now we're inside. So I could go over all of the features and sit here and talk about it all day long. We don't have enough time to go over all the features that are inside this coach, but let's go over some major top features of what makes this coach amazing. So right here behind me, you are going to have your Murphy bed system that we talked about from before, and to access that, you simply lift the couch up and let it down, and then the bed comes right down. Those gas struts are going to do all the work for you. You have a full-size RV queen here with a heated mattress. That's going to keep you nice and warm in the night before you're going to go to bed. And then in the middle of the day, you can put it right back up, lift your couch up, and now you have couch and seating space for the whole family. To my right here, you have a U-shaped king dinette. You can fit the whole family around that dinette so you guys can play cards if it's not too nice outside. And then over here to my left in the kitchen, they do a really nice job with their solid surface countertops. They add extra prep space, and they also have undermounted stainless steel sinks. So now you can dine just like the Italians do. You get an 8 cubic foot fridge inside the Rockwood Minilite. That's tons of room to have extra food along on the trip. They have a separate freezer, and then they also put a wood exterior on the outside of the fridge just to match all of the many cabinets inside here. There's also no lack of inside storage within this coach. If you see over here, you have your double over double bunks, and then you do get a pack and play system over here. So if you want to bring the bikes along for the kids, you literally stand this guy up and you can put the bikes in there and travel with it inside the coach. There is 2 USB ports in each bunk area so that they can charge their electronics and all the fun stuff. And then over here to my left, just like Nickelback always says, they want a bathroom they can play baseball in. Well, this 3-piece bathroom is spacious. You can move around easily in there. And they also have a bathtub, so when the kids get dirty, you can give them a bath at night. It does feature the AquaView shower miser. That is going to bypass the hot water back into your hot water tank until it heats up. It's going to let you know because it's going to change color. You're going to turn that on, and then the hot water is just going to come down, and it's only that hot water going into your gray tank. The freshwater tank on this coach is a 58-gallon tank. That's what you're going to find in most of the fifth wheels. So that concludes our tour of the all-new Rockwood 2509S. If you found value in the video, please do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button. We have a ton of great content on there. If you want to see any of the other floor plans on the Rockwood Minilite, please check our website out at rangelandrv.com or email me personally at mitch@rangelandrv.com. Happy camping!